of the Redmi Note family. Now the Redmi Note series. To talk about the design, let me call upon Rebecca to take a much closer look at the Redmi Note 9.
In Note 9, we wanted to pay attention to the smallest of detail, ensuring that every aspect is relevant to you. Let's have a closer look, shall we? For the Redmi Note 9, we followed the design philosophy of Aura Balanced Design, maintaining the same sleek, stylish design as the Redmi Note 9 Pro. As you can see, the fingerprint reader blends seamlessly into the camera module. This placement ensures that your muscle memory automatically reaches for the fingerprint scanner. This makes it much easier for you to unlock the beautiful 6.53-inch Full HD Plus display. Not just that, we've also done away with the notch, reducing it to just a tiny dot on the top left of your screen. This gives you a truly immersive experience. If you love watching content as much as I do, gaming all day, or just browsing, this device is perfect for you. But if you're as clumsy as I am, you need a device that is not just great looking, but is also built to last. Thankfully, the Redmi Note 9 comes with a super strong Corning Gorilla Glass 5, as well as P2i nano coating. But more on that later. Phone jack, the 2+1 SIM slot with a 512 GB of expandable storage, and my personal favorite, the IR blaster. Now that's what I call a true design champion.
Yeah. Hey, let's talk about performance. With every new Note, we try and breach the expected performance of a device. And the Redmi Note 9 is another leap in that direction. And that's why we are introducing the Redmi Note 9 as the first ever smartphone in India to launch with the MediaTek Helio G85 processor. And let me tell you why it's a big deal. As per competition, most of the Samsung devices under 25,000 uses either an Exynos 9611 or an Exynos 850. And if you look at other competition, they're using a Qualcomm Snapdragon 665 that we use on a Redmi Note 8. So basically, what I'm trying to say is the AnTuTu score is much higher than the competition. Now, all these are just numbers. What do they really mean? Well, to begin with, it gives you HD online gaming, which means that you'll ace any game you play. With the Redmi Note 8, we introduced a 6GB RAM and 128GB storage variant that was loved by all our fans. Continuing that legacy, the Redmi Note 9 will come in 3 variants going all the way up to 6GB RAM and 128GB of storage.
I'm on holiday at a beach, or at a cozy cafe, or in the great outdoors. I would always choose the Redmi Note 9 for its epic photography skills. Now let's try and understand what makes these cameras so awesome. The Redmi Note 9 comes with a quad camera 48 megapixel setup similar to the Redmi Note 9 Pro. And the star of the show here is, of course, the 48 megapixel sensor, which is half-inch in size, has super pixels of 1.6 micron with a wide aperture of f1.79. The pictures resulting from this camera are absolutely vivid, crisp, and have brilliant detailing view, with all possible styling elements to take your social media game to the next level. The depth sensor, along with the semantic segmentation, which is classic to the Redmi Note cameras, and in a fourth camera too, a 2 megapixel macro camera with autofocus that can focus distances up to 2 centimeters. 13 megapixel selfie camera captures absolutely fantastic selfies.
Talk about battery. Hi, I'm Sneha and I lead the Redmi business for Xiaomi. Don't you guys hate when that happens? The red dead battery? But now there's redemption to this evil. It's because the all-new Redmi Note 9 now comes with a massive 5020 mAh battery. Comes with a 22.5 watt fast charger in the box. Guys, trust me, what this means is, with a 2-day battery life and a fast charger in the box.
To answer the when part of it, just 4 days from now. Yes, the first sale is going to be on 24th of July. And you can buy this online on me.com and Amazon, as well as offline in Mi Homes, Mi Stores, as well as our retail partners. Now that you know when and where, I'm sure you guys are equally excited to know the prices. Now with Redmi, you guys are always assured of getting the best specs, highest quality at the absolute honest prices. So you can get the 4GB, 64GB variant of the Redmi Note 9 at a price of only 11,999. And of course, the much loved highest end variant, which is the 6GB 128GB variant, which you can get for 14,999. Now there you have